Hi guys, my name is Luca and today I will get you started with your ZEISS ScanCobot. In this video, we are going to look at the basics of scanning with your system. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. As you have seen in the previous video, I explained how to power up ScanCobot and start ZEISS Inspect. Let's go into more detail and learn how to measure a first part. The big benefit of our automated optical systems is that there is no other software than ZEISS Inspect needed for operating the system. We can teach the robot, measure the part, evaluate the results, and report the data all in ZEISS Inspect. So let's start by setting up our part. There's nothing special we have to take into account when putting the part on the rotation table. Before we start the scanning process, we simply import the CAD model via drag and drop. If you have PMI embedded in CAD data, this information could be used later for easier inspection planning. Now we can move on. ZEISS Inspect is designed for intuitive use. When we are starting a measurement process, we will find the most relevant options in this upper bar here. They are sorted from left to right according to the process chain. In the first step, we must create a measurement setup for our part. Here we need to position the part roughly in the virtual measurement room using these handles. When this is all done, we can go ahead with scanning. The nice thing about our automation system is that we don't need to teach the movements and measurement positions manually. With the function Smart Scanning in ZEISS Inspect, it's done fully automatically. From here on, we don't have to interact with the system anymore. All is done by the software until we have a final running project. In the first step, the system is doing a measurement setup calibration. This is nothing else but a fine alignment of our first rough positioning of the part in the software. Why would this be needed? To have an optimized project for collision safety and measurement positions. In measurement setup calibration, software will adjust the virtual position of CAD data to match the real position of the part. After this is done, the system proceeds calculating the measurement series that is used to acquire the data for the final evaluations and inspections. The system is not only calculating this, but also already executing it. A big strength of this feature is that the software is using the features and evaluations that are created on the part to calculate the measurement positions that are necessary to acquire data in the areas of interest. Additionally, the system even optimizes measurement positions that were not perfect in terms of the amount of measurement positions and data quality. Let's look at the results. We can see that the complete surface of the part has been covered. Okay, that was straightforward. Get ready for serious measurements of your parts in future videos. If you experience anything different from what you have seen here, or if you have any questions about getting started on your ScanCobot, please reach out to us via support@HandsOnMetrology.com. For more getting started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.